Hi, I'm Joe Renosky. Welcome to the new air and skirted fishing baits. We call them teaser tab appendage skirts. We have frogs, crayfish, minnow tails, and schooling minnows. You won't fish without them once you try them. Our popper and swimmer frogs come with two skirts. With our patent-pending quick change button shaft, you can pop a skirt on and pop a skirt off. The frogs are totally weedless. The frogs are made to catch big bass. Want to try something different? Wacky rig it. Or Carolina rig it. It comes in a multitude of colors. I feel I've made the best tube craw and tube frog on the planet. Just add your favorite bullet weight and start jigging or flipping. It has a rattle in the button shaft. There's not a bait out there that will intrigue strikes like our tube frog or tube craw. They come in a 2-pack. Next is our amazing minnow. It comes in a shad or shiner pattern. They both are equipped with a crimp-on sliding weight system. Push it to the front and you can twitch it on the bottom. It's like a feeding minnow. Put it in the middle and the fish is like a suspending twitch bait. Each pack comes with 4 crimp weights and 2 O-rings to hold the weights in position. It's packed with an extra skirt. We didn't invent the buzz bait, we made it better. We call it the Add-A-Buzz. You can fish it 3 ways: minnow tails, frog skirts, or schooling minnow. The minnow tails pulsate from the action of the blade. It will get you topwater strikes like nothing you can believe. This is our Magnum spinnerbait. The tandem action of the blade makes the schooling minnow skirt pulsate like a school of baitfish fleeing. You can fish all of these skirts on our Magnumized spinnerbait: frogs, schooling minnows, minnow tails. Each pack comes with an extra skirt. Our teaser tab jig and craw comes in either flippin' or jiggin', 3/8 and a half. It comes in a multitude of colors. If you can't catch a fish on these, you better take up golf. It comes with a profile trailer and rattle. The Jig and Minnow is a great profile jig, great on smallmouth. It comes in 6 fish catching colors. It also gets a profile minnow tail. It also gets an extra skirt and rattle. These are new to our lineup. We've taken a good weedless spoon and made it better. Better if you like to fish heavy cover. This is the ticket. It comes in shiner and frog with a multitude of colors. And best of all, it has a rattle and a tail. I'll bet the gold will be really great for reds. There are a variety of segmented shads in the marketplace. Most cost $15 or $20 and only have one hook. Ours is made for action. You can twitch it, crank it, troll it. It's the most amazing plug you'll ever fish. Comes in a variety of colors. The neat thing about this shad, it comes in weight, but by adding crimp weights to the hook, you can make it suspend. By adding more crimp weights, you can make it suspend faster. This saves you from buying 3 different baits. I'm Joe Renosky, president of Renosky Lures. Thanks for watching. I hope you catch as many fish on these baits as I have.